The next tool we're going to have a look at is myKnowledgeBase. It's a library of InterCAD technical updates, webcasts and presentations. The knowledge base icon is the magnifying glass. Going into the magnifying glass, you'll see we've got a search line. If I click in here, I can type in a search string. This is fairly handy. We've put some quick refs in here, so I'll just type in quick, hit enter, and you can see you've got administration guides, EPDM guides, what's new, accessing your EPDM license, CSWP application process is a good one to have a look at. We've got how to do a clean uninstall, just looking for a few other good ones, DXF to DWG mapping, how to update your install when a new product's been added, how to log into the InterCAD customer portal, and we've got the technical support handbook. I would advise that you download this. It's quite a good book. It's over 100 pages of how you can set things up and best practices for using SolidWorks. So you can see swapping licenses between computers, etc. So there's some really good items in there. Another thing you can do is you can show the results in a folder. So if I tick that and then hit search again, I've got quick reference guides for 2014, general references 2015, the support handbook, and then webinars. So I can double click on the webinars and that'll bring up all the webinars that I've got. And this is fantastic because you can actually double click on these, and within SolidWorks they'll start. They've all got audio. So just to show you some of the features of that, if I hit pause here, obviously I can mute it if I want to, but I can hit full screen, which is okay, so it fills up all this area. I could either stretch this out if I wanted to, or what I can do is actually hit the undock dock window, and that'll take it out to a full screen, and then I can keep on playing it. So this is electrical what's new. If I minimize it, or if I go back to this icon, I can exit the full screen mode. Comes back to here. If I want to download it, if I don't have time, I can go to this arrow and I can click on that. It'll open up and download for me so that I can actually download it if I want to. To go back up a level, single click. So that's using show results in folders. But there's some really good reference guides in here. How to install the SolidWorks Network License Manager, InterCAD admin image, clean installs, etc. Again, to get back to the start, hit the home button. So that was in our search area. There are other things that you can do. You can click by file type. You can click in this area and you can select PDF if you're just after PDFs. When you go back in, it'll just bring up what PDFs it has. So going back to the home item, just to get rid of that, drag your cursor over the top of it and hit delete, and you'll be right to go again. Our next video will go through how to contact InterCAD.